Okay. Very slow. Today, I don't know, it's running very slow. Okay, and maybe I need to restart my system once. I'll do that later. Okay, so we have seen many things actually now, we see the routing notification and we see the SLA as well, right? So what are the different type of SLAs? How we can apply that as well, right? So today we'll focus on another concept, which we can say reporting. Okay, how you can go for reporting. Okay, so normally in PEGA there is multiple rules are available for reportings. Okay, so you can see the three category of the rule: category, report definition, and shortcut. Okay, so these are the three category of the rules which is available in the reports. And PEGA provides a lot of reports, as which is can be for a developer also, which can be for a process report. There can be business data report, okay, and there is system performance report. So there are various reports are there. So here, if you go to the Designer Studio, you can see a lot of report, guardrails report. So that's actually if you can see here guardrails. So all are actually your warning summary, warning details, are the summary report, warning summary, warning details, that the guardrail reports. And if you see development, you can see return section, checked out rules, weekly rule update. So these are the some of the reports which is actually useful for development point of view. And some of the reports you will see there for system, like how the performance is going on. Okay, what is the performance? Okay. So these are actually you can able to see different reports. So yeah, this is the license, named user chart, service invocation chart, wave invocation chart. So this is different type of report you can see it out. Okay. So how many rules are getting created in each week wise? So that you can see that here. So these are the normally it's all a report definition which is getting displayed here. Okay. And category and shortcut rule is used for report browser. Okay. So when you go with manager, actually manager can have access to the report from his portal. Okay. You can see report here. Okay. Click onto the report. It will open the report browser for you. Yep. So this is actually normally we call it report browser. Okay. So here you can see the two type of the category: public category, private category. So public categories are available for everyone. Okay, and like anyone can see this report, and all these reports, public category of the report, which is actually you can see here, which is given by PEGA itself. Actually, like the out of the box reports only. So they are actually like the process related, like who missed the SLA, and how much time is taken for each level of each stage. Okay, what are the cases are open, what is service level performance. So everything by unit, by time, by task, by average hours. So there are different type of reports. Pega has created that. So based on your QA, we can see these reports. Okay. In Pega, in earlier version, actually not in Pega, before Pega 7, the report definition was not there. There are two different rules, OBJ like list report and summary report. Okay, earlier version, there are two different reports which is actually doing that. But in 7 point afterwards, actually they have combined into a new rule which is we call it report definition. So for this all report, there is a report definition behind of it. Okay, and these are the link. So this is actually normally called as shortcut. So this is timeline by flow. This is a link to the report definition. Okay, so timeline by flow and task. If you click onto that, it will open the report definition here. So every report definition does not show it here. Okay, when you want the report definition to display in report browser, then only it creates a shortcut rule for it. Okay, so I'll show you that option. So let's see, when you see a report definition, any report definition, if I'll show you from there. So see, I feel like if you say we have created some of the get employee RD, right? Some of the report definition we have created as well. So let's say we want to see that. Currently, this report definition is not getting displayed there, right? So if you want this report also be displayed there, okay? So what we can do is, like I said, you have data access and okay, sorry, in report viewer, okay, like so you can have seen an option display in report browser. Click that, then it will ask you which category you want to display that. Okay. So let's say I want to keep that open cases. Okay. I save this. So now what it will do is it will going to create a shortcut rule. Okay. And it will put that shortcut rule in this category. Okay. So if we'll go there now and okay, if I'll open the case matrix now, it should display that report as well. Oh, still not showing. I think I need to just click on the report. No, maybe I'll check it with the log off and just check it. No, it's still not coming. We have put the open case matrix only, right? We put it into the open. It should open cases. It should display there. Let's checking that. Sometimes doesn't work without checking. Yeah. Now it should be a shortcut tool should be created. Let's see if shortcut tool is created or not. Yeah. PY open cases. Yeah, it's added just now. Okay, so that's also done. then it should display it here as well. Yeah, now it's showing too. Now you can see that the get employee ID is coming here. Okay. Without checking, sometimes doesn't work. Okay. Database is also down. This is actually like this database issue. I need to start the database because this is a report for the external database, right? We have connected the employee database from the external one. So just a minute. Yeah. So meantime, I'll tell you some more thing. Okay. So if you want to create a category, okay. So public category is available to everyone. Private category will be only available to the owner who has created that. It will be available to him only, and no one can see that private category as well. If you create a public category, that category will be also available to everyone. So if you want to create a category, you can create it here. So if you say want to create that, my reports, okay, and I want to make a public one. So once I created that category, so category is nothing but to differentiate the reports. Actually, like only that the use of the category is to categorize the reports on that. Okay, so now you can see that private category is created now. Okay, and the number which it says here is the number of reports within that. So now we'll see once more. Hope it will be fine with now. Yeah, it started. So this time it will run the report as well. No, still showing the error. Password has expired. Okay. I need to set the password once again. Okay. So this report, let's see another report definition will make that one. Like which is be the part of this. Okay, so this actually report, eGate data products, okay. So we want that report to display that as well. So let's say we go to report viewer, display report in browser, save it. Then why did it so let's see if the shortcut tools is created for this. Yep. Now it's actually it's created and it is created in PY work analysis. Yeah. So there's the products. Yeah. So now you can see that the report is coming like this way. Okay. Okay. So this is like we can able to generate the report, any existing report definition, and initially it will be not displayed. If you want, we can make the shortcut rule and we can able to display it here. Okay. So let's see. So normally reports are of the three types. You can be a chart report, it can be a summary report, and it can be a list report. Okay. So what do you mean by list? List is only like it will be displayed in a Excel format of the type, like records format. Summary at like how many it's happened, like it's a count. Okay. So that it will be summary. And the chart, like the summary you want to display in a chart way. Okay. So then it will be a chart report. And chart will be not available in list type of report. It will be available only in the summary type of the report. So if you see the symbols here, so this is your chart. Okay, this is summary and this is your list. So by icon you can able to identify that report. Okay. So let's say if you want to see the this is a clear. I think the look and feel is little bit different for this because we are directly using that on this, and you have a lot of option. This one, if you want this report to print, if you want to export to PDF, if you want to export to Excel, you can do that. So let's say I exported that report to PDF. Okay, so it's the report is converted into PDF now. Yep. So this is the report which is getting generated from that. Okay. And if you want in an Excel format, that also we can do. If you just click on export to Excel, it will create an Excel file for that. And if the printer is connected, it will give you directly the printer as well. Okay, so this is a clean Excel format. So we have different options. You want to convert into a summary report. So that it will, if you say you want to group by which field, you can do that as well. I don't know why it's moved that side, this report. Or if you want to edit the report, so this is actually we call as report viewer. Then actually like we have report editor where we can change the condition, we can add more values, add more conditions to that. Okay. So this is actually we call as report viewer. Okay, so here actually if you can see there is different tables. Actually this is we called as data explorer. So here we can pick the fields. Okay. So say when we have created this, so we want that create date and time to be also displayed here. Okay. Yeah, so that's actually like you can see date of creation also comes there now. Okay. So if you say you want to use any filter, so if you say you want to keep that something, actually anything here, the product ID. Okay. So you just need to drag it here. let's say I want to do for the quantity. If quantity is let's say with the quantity, any quantity which is 0, I want to get that. Okay, let's say I want to put it 0. So if you say I have done the editing, okay, so no product has 0. So this is written nothing. So let's say we want to change it to anything else. So let's say we want to change it to greater than 5. Okay, done editing. So it will show you the reports with that. Oh, no reports as 5 as well. Okay, let's say less than 5. Yeah, so this you can see all the items are, but this is 10. It should display that. Why it's taking the 10? Yeah, that should be. I think we have defined the quantity as. We need to check how we have defined. If it is a text, then it will be problem with that. So that will check it out. Otherwise, it should work. But if it is this time everything is coming. But we need to check how we define the quantity. It is running very slow. Quantity, that's the text. That's why it's not working as expected. If it is changed to integer, it will be fine. Okay, so it's now we have changed it. Let's see, we check with that now. Don't know what's happening. I need to restart the system.
Nitish,
Yes, okay.
so in our course, like, what do you think we still are left out to cover, like, on a broad?
Main thing is the integration.
Okay.
And once integration will be done, we're going to see some more stuffs on the tools, like actual use of tracer, clipboard to create a case, how assignment is
Okay.
moving, okay? And then we'll
Okay.
see the product rules, but how you're going to create the deployment, like from one environment to
Okay.
another environment, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And then we'll see the circumstance little bit and agents.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And activities, you have, yeah, you covered them earlier, but then do we again have any session on activity where, because I don't think
Uh,
we've done it clearly, right?
Yeah, activity class show you all the things, right, in that. Actually, how you can go for when rule,
Yeah, yeah,
jump rule.
yeah, you explained everything, but like end to end one activity creating actually.
Yeah, that's,
Okay.
we've created on everything in that, right? Actually, you have loop, we created a page. From the page, we jump to loop and everything we did in that.
Okay. Okay.
If you want one
And
more.
one more, yeah, no, one more question I have. So, can we refer one property in work class to, in the data class, or vice versa, like that? Directly,
Yeah,
can we do that, or
normally like we use a page. See, if anything, it's like when you are creating many data classes here, right?
okay,
And all this, what you did, you created them as a page or page list in work class,
yeah, okay,
right?
okay,
So this is, you can see customer, purchase, product. So all that actually what you are doing is you are creating them, the property you have defined in data class, but using them as a page in work class.
okay. So the complete data type is in work class, but the properties in the pages are in data class.
Yes, that's right.
Why? I mean, it is to be like that, or we can create
That's right.
the total
So
data
actually
type.
like what you're doing is you created a page. So all the properties of that page will automatically come here. So if you see the
Okay.
property, you see a customer,
Yeah.
purchase is there. So in purchase, like see, did you define this property? No.
Yeah.
You have defined in the page, that class.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, no, I got this. So we'll have to create the data type in work class and then the individual properties in data class.
Yeah, that's actually
Every
the way we
time,
do
right?
that. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So same thing, actually, if you see it here, okay. So you can see customer. So if you see customer, within the customer you can see this multiple things. Within the address,
Okay.
you will see multiple things again. So
Yeah,
all these
yeah.
properties we have defined as the data type.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So all these data types creates as then instances of data tables, right?
It depends. If you don't want to create that instance, you can create a page within the work itself.
Okay.
So it's not going to create an instance of that class. So that will be going to create a page instance within the work class now. If you're going to refer within the work class, if you give dot, page name, dot. So that is going to create a page within the work class itself. It will
Okay,
not going to
okay.
create an instance in that data class.
Okay. So what is the page name of this purchase data type now,
What,
which is
sorry?
currently open? What is the page name of this currently open purchase data type?
This is purchase. This is the ID when we create the name of that, right?
Okay,
When
okay.
you create the page, you give the name of the page.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
that will
I
be the page
thought
name
like
for that.
we have something to refer the complete data type, the purchase work pool.
Yeah, here you need to give the data type here. When you're creating a page, you need to give the data type, which data type you want to use there.
Okay. Yeah, I mean on whole I am asking like the current page which is open like data type purchase work pool is there, right? The complete one. This one we don't have any such reference, right?
Can you come again? Okay.
So the total data type purchase work pool which is currently open, not the individual
Uh,
one which you're showing.
yeah, see, total amount and total quantity. They are not the page. They are the directly property of work itself.
Okay.
So if you
Yeah,
see
for
this,
page. Yeah, got it.
if
For
you see
pages, we like. Mm-hmm.
total amount is directly referred in this one. Okay. So that you
Okay.
can refer directly dot. Like if it is the primary page, you can refer that property using the dot itself. Dot, then the property page, all the property will become with that.
Okay. 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 If it is in page list or page group, then we'll refer that particular name and then we'll
Then,
give dot.
yeah, then page list or page name, then dot, then the property of that page list or page group.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, got it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, because it's not responding that well, so I'll just restart my systems today, okay? And we'll continue on reports on Monday or, okay? If any questions, we'll take that for now. Any questions till now?
Yeah, Saket, I mean, Mukesh,
Yeah, Badin.
it's Jacob.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Jacob, sorry.
Yeah, you said you're going to send us this thing with the other class. What's his name?
Oh, CPBA one, right? I'll send it to today.
Yeah.
I will send you today. I'll send you by
Okay.
definitely today. I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to see if I can prepare for that test maybe in the next 2
Okay.
weeks. So I'm just
Sure,
trying to
Jacob.
get. So
Yeah,
when I
I'll
start
try to
studying,
do.
I'll be sending you emails with questions where I need clarification, please.
Yeah, sure, Jacob. Actually, that will be. I'll check that out
You know.
and I'll reply back.
Okay, no problem. So I'll start studying for this while we go on with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Jacob. So we'll
Bye-bye.
stop now and we'll come
Yeah.
back on Monday. Okay? Because
Yeah.
next 2 days will be I'm off. So we'll
Yeah.
back on Monday. Okay?
It will give me some time to study. I got a few days to study.
Yeah. Actually, you can try that and you can just clarify your